Hello. Today we're going to talk some more about plants. We know plants are alive like us, but they do not walk around like we do. So how do they move to get the things they need? Well, plants cannot walk, but they can still move and change how they grow. They do this to help them stay healthy and get what they need. This movement is called a tropism. A tropism is when a plant grows in a certain direction because of something in its environment. Think of it as a plant's way of reaching for what it wants or moving away from what it does not like. The environment is everything around the plant, like sunlight, gravity, and water. The first tropism is called phototropism. Photo means light. So phototropism is when a plant grows towards the light. Have you ever seen a plant on a windowsill bending towards the sun? That's phototropism. The plant is trying to get more sunlight to make its own food. The stem and leaves usually show positive phototropism, meaning they grow towards the light. Another tropism is called gravitropism. We can also call it geotropism. This is how plants respond to gravity. Gravity is what pulls things down to the earth. Plants' roots show positive gravitropism, meaning they grow downward with gravity to find water and hold the plant in place. The stem shows negative gravitropism, meaning it grows upward against gravity to reach the sunlight. If a plant is on its side is left this way, after a few weeks the stem will bend upwards and the roots will grow downwards towards the bottom side of the pot. This is gravitropism. The third tropism is called hydrotropism. Hydro means water, so hydrotropism is when a plant grows towards water. Roots show positive hydrotropism. This helps the plant find water, which is very important for the plant to live. The last tropism is called thigmotropism. This is when a plant grows in response to touch. Some plants, like vines, use thigmotropism to climb on things. When they touch a fence or a stick, they start to wrap around it. Tropisms help plants in many ways. Phototropism helps them get sunlight for food. Gravitropism helps their roots find water and holds them in the ground. Hydrotropism help the roots find water. Thigmotropism helps them climb and grow. Tropisms help plants survive and grow big and strong. So even though plants do not have legs, they can still move. They use tropisms to grow in response to light, gravity, water, and touch. Next time you see a plant, remember it's always moving and changing to find what it needs. Thank you for watching.